Good morning everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjyot and today is our second mock related to PPP where we are going to discuss certain questions for your June JAIIB exam. Okay. So before starting the session, let me know, am I audible to all of you and the PPT is also visible? Are we good to go? Good morning Dheeraj, good morning Swati, good morning Gitanjali, good morning Prajakta, good morning Ajay. So first of all, let me know, am I audible to all of you and the PPT is also visible? Are we good to go? So today is the second mock we are going to discuss. Okay, yesterday we have discussed the mock 1 in which we have done 10 questions. So today we are going to do the same thing. We are going to discuss 10 questions related to principles and practices of banking syllabus. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to answer the question. We will discuss the detail of the question and at the end I will ask you that how many questions answer you have given correct. So do mark your number of questions for which you are giving right answers. Okay. Yes, everything goes okay. Let's start. So first of all, those candidates who are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel Officers Adda 24/7 and press the bell icon so that about all the upcoming sessions on Officers Adda 24/7 you will get the notification. And if you have not downloaded the Adda 24/7 application, then do download the application also. Okay. Now let's start with the first question, which is asking that the bank is required to compile with the execution of the award of banking ombudsman within how many days? Or 7 days, 15 days, 30 days or 60 days. So it is asking about that the bank is required to compile with the execution of the award. Now what is award means? It is the decision of banking ombudsman. So within how many days a bank has to compile with the decision of the banking ombudsman? Is it 7, 15, 30 or 60 days? Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? First of all, banking ombudsman scheme was started in the year 1995 under the section 35A of Banking Regulation Act. It was reintroduced in 2 years, that was 2002 and 2006. So it was said that the banking ombudsman will be appointed by Reserve Bank of India only, and the general manager and chief general manager of Reserve Bank of India can become banking ombudsman. The service provided by banking ombudsman is totally free of cost, and you can complain to the banking ombudsman after giving 1 month period to your home branch. Then you can complain to the banking ombudsman, and also within the 1 year of the matter, whatever matter what happened, whatever problem you are facing with the banking sector, whatever issue you are facing with the banking sector, you have to complain to the banking ombudsman within 1 year of the matter after giving 1 month duration to the home branch. Okay. Now everyone is going with the C option, that is 30 days. Very good. So right answer is your C, that is 30 days. So banks has to compile with the decision of banking ombudsman, which is known as award of banking ombudsman, okay, within 30 days. Now what is the maximum award amount? Let me know. What is the maximum award amount under banking ombudsman? Is it 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh or 20 lakh? What is the maximum award amount under the banking ombudsman? And also additional compensation in case of mental harassment, additional compensation amount in case of mental harassment, and for credit card also, and for credit card issues, what is the compensation? So tell me 3 amounts. First is, I am asking about the maximum award amount, which is you all are saying 20 lakh. Very good. So maximum award amount is 20 lakh. What is the compensation in case of mental harassment? Very good. 1 lakh it is. And what about credit cards? What about credit cards? It's the same, 1 lakh. Okay. This is the amount which you have to remember. These are the awards given by the banking ombudsman. Okay. Now let's move to the second question, which is asking about the certification test for marketing and selling of mutual funds products is conducted by. So who conducts the certification test for marketing and selling of the mutual fund products? Is it SEBI? Is it NSE or BSE? Is it AMFI or is it RBI? So who conducts the certification test for marketing and selling of mutual fund? Now what is mutual fund? Mutual funds are the professionals who collects money from the various investors and invest their money in diversified sectors to minimize the risk. Okay, so what investors are doing, what mutual funds are doing, mutual funds are collecting pool of funds from various investors and invest their money in a different securities. It can be invested in shares, it can be invested in bonds, debentures, derivative, commodity market, etc., to minimize the risk. So this is the mutual fund. Okay, there are multiple types of mutual funds available. Now here we are asking that which of the following body create or organize the certification test for marketing and selling of mutual fund products? Is it SEBI, is it National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange? Is it AMFI or is it RBI? Answer of second question. Okay, everyone is going with the third option, that is C. What is the full form of AMFI? AMFI stands for? Okay, very good. Right answer will be your AMFI, that is Association of Mutual Funds in India. Correct. So right answer is for the second question is C. Association of Mutual Funds in India conducts the certification test for marketing and selling of the mutual fund products. Right? Achha, how we know that what is the efficiency of a mutual fund? How much return we will get if we invest in a certain scheme of mutual fund? How we will calculate that? So the efficient investment efficiency of mutual fund will be known by which term, or will be known by public? How we can know that? For example, if I want to invest in a share market, what I can do, it is not mandatory that I will go for the balance sheet of each and every company which is listed in the stock exchange. No, I will directly go to the index, that is Sensex and Nifty. Sensex and Nifty includes the blue chip companies, those companies whose market value is continuously rising, whose share value is continuously rising. They are creating wealth for the investors. So what I can do, I can simply go to the Sensex and Nifty and check that which of the following are, or how many companies are blue chip companies. According to that, according to checking their balance sheet, according to checking their annual financial statement, I will decide that in which company I want to invest. I do not have to go for the each and every company's annual report. So similarly, how I can decide that in which mutual fund I should invest, or which mutual fund's efficiency, investment efficiency is better? Okay, Gitanjali is saying NAV, Prajakta is also saying NAV. Very good. The right answer is net asset value. So the mutual fund's investment efficiency can be calculated by its net asset value or net sales. Okay. So how to calculate net asset value? Simply the fund's assets minus liability divided by total outstanding shares into 100. So this is the formula by which we can calculate the net asset value, which tells us that what is the investment efficiency of the mutual fund, and then you can decide that you have to invest in this mutual fund or not. Okay, very good. Now third question is, a minor has a deposit account. First of all, let me know who is minor, who is known as minor. Let me know. So a minor has a deposit account which is operated by his father and natural guardian. If the latter dies, who will receive the proceeds during the minority of the minor? So first of all, let me know who is known as minor. Second, if the minor's account is there which is operated by his father, that is the natural guardian of the minor, if that dies, after that who can receive the proceeds during the minority of the minor? Is it the minor himself? Is it the grandfather? Is it the court appointed guardian, or is it none of the above? Very good. Below 18 years of age persons are known as minor. Very good. So what is which of the following is the right option? Who will proceed the account now? So there are three types of guardians. First is your that is natural guardians, are parents, that is mother and father. Second, we have testimony guardian, which guardians which become because of the will. In the parents' will, they have said that after our death, this person will become the guardian of our child until he becomes major. So that is the testamentary guardian. And after that, we have a legal guardian. Now, legal guardian is the person who is appointed by the court. Okay. So which of the following is right answer? Ajay is saying A, minor himself. How can minor operate the account? Malika Arjun saying C. Swati is saying C. That is court appointed guardian. Okay, what about rest? Dheeraj is also saying C. So the right answer will be your court appointed guardian. Now the court appointed guardian can receive the proceeds during the minority of the minor. Not minor himself, not grandfather. Okay, so right answer will be your C option. Correct. Next. Under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, the risk coverage available for permanent partial disability is. For permanent partial disability, under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, how much risk cover will be available? Is it 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh or 5 lakhs? Now let's discuss this scheme. First of all, on 3rd of in May 2015 from Kolkata, Mr. Modi has launched 2 schemes. Actually, he launched 3 schemes. First is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Second is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. And third is Atal Pension Yojana. So all these 3 schemes were launched at the same day from the same place by the same person, Mr. Modi. Okay. Now Suraksha Bima Yojana and Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, both are the insurance schemes. Okay. And everyone is saying B. B is 2 lakh. Malika Arjun is saying A. Okay. Now let's discuss. First of all, in Suraksha Bima Yojana, the age group is 18 to 70 years. And in Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, the age group is 18 to 50 years. Right? In Suraksha Bima Yojana, how much premium we have to pay? Let me know. What is the premium of Suraksha Bima Yojana? And what is the premium of Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? Maximum are saying B. Okay. Question is asking about the permanent partial disability. Okay. Do make sure that. $12 and $330. Very good. So the Suraksha Bima Yojana, we have to pay 12 rupees per month or per annum? Per month or per annum? Let me know that. After that, in Suraksha Bima Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, 330 rupees again per month or per annum? We have to pay 12 rupees per month or we have to pay 12 rupees per annum? In a year, we have to pay only 12 rupees. What is the duration of the premium? It is per annum. Okay, this is per annum. So per annum we have to pay 12 rupees and 330 rupees under the Suraksha Bima Yojana or Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. In Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, risk coverage is 2 lakh in case of natural death. In case of natural death, the risk coverage is your 2 lakh. Okay. But when it comes to the Suraksha Bima Yojana, now this is having a certain conditions. The first condition, in case of accidental death, in case of murder, and in case of full disability. In case of full disability, accidental death, murder and full disability, the risk coverage will be 1 lakh, sorry 2 lakh. And the second condition is, in case of partial disability, the risk coverage will be 1 lakh. Okay. And suicide is not covered under this scheme. Suicide is not covered under this scheme. But in case of accidental deaths, in case of murder or in case of full disability, risk coverage will be 2 lakh and the partial disability risk coverage will be 1 lakh. Now here it is asking about the partial disability. So right answer will be 1 lakh. A is the right answer. Clear? So do remember these conditions related to Suraksha Bima Yojana and Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. And also remember, these are the annual schemes. Then this year, in which year you pay the premium, you will get the risk coverage. If you have not paid the premium every year, then in that year, the risk coverage will not be included. Okay. So this is the Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Suraksha Bima Yojana. Do remember the conditions of the scheme. Now let's move to the 5th question, which is asking, that banking services mainly depend upon which of the following distribution channel? So banking services mainly depends upon which of the following distribution channel? Is it consumer distribution channel? Is it business distribution channel? Is it direct distribution channel? Or all of the above? Which of the following is correct? Fifth is D, okay. Everyone is saying fifth is D. That is all of the above. Okay, ठीक है. So when we are talking about the banking services, which is mainly depend on the distribution channel, so it includes all the distribution channel. That is your consumer distribution channel, business distribution channel, direct distribution channel. So all of the above will be right answer. Very good. D is right answer. Okay, D is right answer. Next. For opening a Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account, the child's age on date of opening the account should be. So Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, it was launched in the year 2015 under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. So under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign, we have introduced the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. So what should be the age of the girl child at the time of opening account? It is 8 years or younger, 8 years or older, 10 years or younger, or 10 years or older. So which of the following should be the age of the girl child at the time of opening of bank account? Opening of Sukanya Samriddhi account. Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? So first of all, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana was introduced in the year 2015 under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign, in which we are trying to do what? We are trying to save the girl child, educate the girl child. Malika Arjun, of which question you are saying all of the above? Acha, always mention the question number when you are answering, okay? Do not forget the mention the question number, okay? Now next thing is, in the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, girl child's account will be open by the parents or by the legal guardians, okay? And the age will be your, not older, it will be younger, 10 years or younger. So up to the age of 10 years, a girl child's account can be opened under the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account, okay? Now account can be opened by the parents or can be by the legal guardians. Okay, and the age of the girl child should be up to 10 years. Okay, and one girl's account can be open. One girl can have one account. You can't open more than one account on the name of a one girl. Okay, you have to open only one account on the name of one girl. Now next thing is, documents which are required is identity proof of the guardian, address proof of the guardian, and the birth certificate of the girl child, and also Sukanya Samriddhi account one form. Okay, Sukanya Samriddhi form, account form 1 you have to give, along with the identity proof of the guardians, address proof of the guardians, and the birth certificate of the girl child. Okay, Achha, let me know, what is the minimum deposit in a financial year is mandatory. Minimum deposit mandatory in a financial year. And also when you are opening a bank account, you have to open bank account with this amount. So what is the amount of minimum deposit in a financial year, or the by which you can open a bank account under the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana? What amount is it? And also the maximum deposit amount. Maximum deposit amount in a financial year. Okay, in a financial year. 500, 250, 500, 1000, 500. No, it is 250 only. When this scheme was launched in the year 2015, the initial or the minimum deposit in a financial year was used to 1000. Okay, but it is reduced from 1000. It is now 250 rupees only in a year, and maximum deposit is 1.5 lakh only. In a financial year, 1.5 lakh you can deposit. So minimum 250 rupees, maximum 1.5 lakh. Okay, Earlier, the minimum deposit was 1000 in the year 2015. Okay. Acha, when we are talking about the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, in one family, how many Sukanya Samriddhi accounts can be opened? In one family. Okay. Let me know. So on the name of the one girl child, only one account can be maintained. But in one family, how many Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account can be maintained? Only 1, 2 or 3 or 4 or more than 4. How many accounts can be maintained? Kedar is saying 2, Pranay is saying 2, Sindhu is saying 2. Okay. Actually, in one family, 2 accounts can be open, but in exceptional cases, 3 accounts can be open. In exceptional case, 3 accounts can be open in one family. Now let's understand how 3 accounts can be open. Now let's understand this condition. First is when in the first birth there is one girl child. In first birth, one girl child born, but in second birth, twins girl child born. In second birth, twins girl child born. In that case, 3 accounts can be open in one family. Okay. And the second case is when the first birth itself results in triplets girl child. When the first birth itself has triplets girl child, then 3 accounts in a family can be open. Okay, these are the only 2 conditions of opening 3 accounts in one family. Otherwise, in all cases, maximum 2 accounts can be open in one family. Clear? Let me know this exceptional case of 3 accounts. Clear to all? Answer quickly. This exceptional case related to 3 accounts in a family. Clear to all? Achha, apart from this, there is one more thing, that is, if we are not able, if the parents are not able to pay the minimum deposit of 250 rupees in any financial year, now what is the penalty amount? What is the penalty amount in case parents are not able to pay the minimum deposit in a financial year? What is the penalty amount? Clear to all? Okay, very good. Now let me know the penalty amount. Is it 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 150 rupees? What is it? Very good. Everyone is saying 50 rupees. That is correct. Achha, this 50 is for per year or for how many years? Doesn't matter. If you are not paying the minimum deposit for 1 year, then you have to pay the 50 rupees. Or it doesn't matter how many years you have not paid the minimum deposit, you just have to give the 50 rupees to restart the scheme. What is it? This 50 rupees is for every year in which you have not paid the minimum deposit, or it is just for the restarting of the account? What is it? Yes, very good. This penalty is per annum. Okay, this penalty is per annum. And one more thing, when if you, for example, let's take an example here. 1 second, let's take an example here. Let's say I have not paid the premium or the minimum deposit for my girl child for 2 years continuously. So what I have to give? I have to give 100 rupees as a penalty. After that, I have to pay the 250 rupees for the this year in which I am continuing the scheme. And also I have to pay the earlier amount, that is for the 2 years I have to pay 250 rupees also. So this is the amount after the 2 years I have to pay to continue the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Okay, so you have to pay the penalty 50 rupees per annum, in which year you have not paid the minimum deposit, plus you have to pay the arrear amount also, for how many years you have not did the contribution. So that contribution you have to give. So arrear amount will also give at the time of restarting the scheme. Okay, now let's move forward to the next question. Which of the following organization maintains the share of companies in dematerialization format? So which of the following organizations maintains the share of the companies in dematerialization form? Is it SEBI, is it depositories, is it register to the issue, or is it mutual funds? So which of the following is true? Achha, one important thing is those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session once. Now immediately like the session and then answer which of the following will be the right answer. It should be your habit. When you come to the session, first like the session and stay calm and start preparing or start answering your questions. But do like the session once, okay? Everyone is saying 7th is B. Sapan is saying A. Munni also saying A. No. The right answer is depositories. So depositories simply are the depositories are where the physical securities are transferred to or converted to electronic securities and deposited in the demat account of the customer. So there are two depositories. First is CDSL, which was it started by BSC, and that is NSDL, that was started by NSC. So the first depository in India was NSDL, which was started by NSC, because first NSC started doing electronic trading. BSC was doing the paper-based trading. NSC introduced the electronic trading, or screen-based automatic electronic trading system was introduced by NSC. So first of all, NSC introduced the NSDL, that is the National Securities Depository Limited, and it started converting the physical security in the electronic form and starting depositing in the demat account of the customer. So right answer will be B. Okay. Now, which of the following regulatory body regulates the credit rating agencies in India? Which of the regulatory body regulates the credit rating agency in India? Is it RBI, is it IRDA, is it PFRDA, or is it none of the above? What is the answer of the 8th question? A, B, C, or D? In 1996, NSDL came. Okay, and 1998, CDSL came, not in 1994. But acha, if I tell here that NSC started electronic trading, NSC started electronic trading in the year 1994. Okay, it was established in the year 1992. CDSL was introduced in the year 1998. NSDL was introduced in the year 1996. So these are the year related to this. Okay. Now 8th answer, everyone is saying D, that is none of the above. Very good. So right answer is none of the above. But who actually regulates the credit rating agency? If the RBI, ADA or PFRDA is not the regulatory body, then which regulatory body regulates the credit rating agency? Now, what are the different credit rating agency? We have CIBIL, we have CARE, we have ONICRA, we have SMERA, we have CRISIL, we have ICRA, etc. And we have international also, S&P, Standard and Poor, Moody's, then Fitch, etc. So these are international crediting agency. Who regulates the crediting agency in India? SEBI regulates, Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI regulates the crediting agencies in India. So right answer will be none of the above, because SEBI regulates the crediting agencies. Okay. Next, a fraud committed by a large number of customers on bank or in bank would basically result in, when the large number of customers of a particular bank frauds, then which type of risk can be occur in a bank? Is it a credit risk? Is it a liquidity risk? Is it a market risk, or is it a reputational risk? So which of the following will be the risk which can arise, which can expose to the bank in case of large number of customers are defaulting or doing fraud? Gitanjali is saying D, Deepak saying A, Debashish is saying D. Okay, what about rest? Chitra is saying D. Mohit also saying D. Maximum are going with D option. That is correct. It is reputational risk. It is a reputation risk of the bank. Okay, right answer will be D. So when a fraud committed by a large number of customer of a bank, then it will be resulting in the reputation risk for the bank. Very good. So right answer will be D. What is the minimum premium life for Atal Pension Yojana? What is the minimum premium life for Atal Pension Yojana? So Atal Pension Yojana was introduced in the year 2015 from Kolkata by Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, and we are talking about default. Not credit risk will not be there. What is credit risk is when the customers are defaulting. Okay, it means the borrower is not repaying the loan. We are saying fraud is happening and large number of customers are doing fraud. That's why it is reputation risk. Okay, now Atal Pension Yojana was introduced in the year 2015 from Kolkata by Mr. Narendra Modi. The age group of Atal Pension Yojana is 18 to 40 years. Okay, and the pension will start from the age of 60 years, and the pension will be minimum 1,000 to 5,000, and pension will be for per month. Pension is for per month. Okay, now everyone is saying C. Very good. The right answer is C, that is 20 years. So minimum premium life of a person who is investing in Atal Pension Yojana is 20 years. For example, I am starting or I am joining a scheme at the age of 40 years. It means I have to pay the premium till I attain the age of 60 years. So it means the minimum premium life for Atal Pension Yojana is 20 years, and maximum it starts from 18 years to 60 years. Okay, right answer, very good, is 20 years. That is C option. So the pension amount between 1,000 to 5,000 depends on which of the following things. First, it depends on the contribution amount and also the age of the subscriber. Yes, premium is also per month and pension is also per month, right? Next. So there is, so let me know first of all how many questions you have answered correctly out of 10 questions. And there are certain very big information for all of you, or announcement for all of you. That is, first of all, is the big interbank quiz is going to happen, okay, on Officers at 24/7 only on 22nd of May. On 22nd of May, live the big interbank quiz is going to happen only on Officers at 24/7 YouTube channel, and you can participate in this quiz and you can win exciting cash rewards. Okay, so quiz will be based on the general knowledge, banking current affairs and banking awareness. So these are the topics for your quiz, and this quiz is going to happen on 22nd of May, and you can participate in the quiz. Then to participate in the quiz you have to enroll yourself, and to enroll, in description the form is available from where you can enroll yourself for the quiz. And do remember, quiz is going to happen on 22nd of May. So this is a kind of a healthy competition we are creating before your JAIIB exam, in which the banking current affairs, the banking awareness or general knowledge question will be asked. Okay, so do enroll yourself in this quiz, and we will meet on 22nd of May in the live quiz of the interbank quiz. Clear? After that, the next thing is there are 3 batches which are coming for your JAIIB preparation. One is your case study batch for all the 3 subjects of JAIIB. One is for case study for PPB subject only, and one is selection batch, which is a crash course for your JAIIB June exam. Okay, to enroll in any of these batch, you can use the code that is Y496, and after using this code you will get 78% discount on Adda 24/7 application. Now, for now onwards, for today onwards, this discount will be 80%. Okay, this discount will be 80% because there is an offer. So this is the offer, flat 80% is available on all JAIIB, CAIIB bank promotion products. So you can enroll today in this particular batch, and you will get 80% discount by using the code Y496. Okay, and this is a weekend special mega offer for all of you. As we know, you have a 3 days holiday here, and that's why we have launched the weekend special offer, mega offer, so that for the 3 days, next 3 days, you will be able to use your product which you are purchasing from a 24/7 application. And if you have not joined from the first class, okay, if you have not joined from the first class of the batches, then you can watch the recorded session in the next 3 days. Okay, you have proper time for that. So this is the available offer for all of you. This is a weekend special offer. Next, the test pack for JAIIB and CAIIB available on a 22% discount now. Earlier it was 17, now 22. To enroll in test pack, you can use a Y496S code. For test pack, you can use a code Y496S. After that, you also have a dedicated recorded batch for JAIIB preparation in bilingual and as well as in English medium. And to enroll in these batches, you can use Y496 code and you will get 80% discount here also. Okay, and again, if you are preparing for JAIIB, you are going to prepare for CAIIB, you are preparing for any other bank promotion exam, then it is better for all of you to just purchase a one product, that is Maha Pack. You will get everything, mock test, ebook, etc. Okay, the prices are little higher, but again, you can use a code Y496 and you will get 80% discount for this weekend. Okay, so don't wait for the next offer or don't wait for the exam to come near. Do make sure, if you are preparing seriously for the JAIIB exam or any bank promotion exam, then do make sure you are purchasing these courses and start your preparation right now. Okay, now how to participate in the session? The session will be live. You will get the Zoom link to participate in the session, and how to enroll, in description you will find the form. Enroll yourself from there, fill your details and we will contact you. Okay, so this is the way from which you can participate or join the quiz. Now let's end the session okay, now let's end the session. First of all, those candidates who are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified about all the upcoming sessions on our officers at 24/7. And do like the session also and join everyday session, which is going to mock test till your exam of JAIIB June. We are going to practice one mock test every day at 6:15 AM daily. Okay, so thank you all for